Question. So 25th one. What is that? Which of the following types of spectrum is the best depicted by that given figure? So you can see the figure also, that one. So that is a excited sample, that is emitting the radiation that we are passing through the prism. We are getting the film or detector. So first option, atomic absorption spectra is that. Second option, atomic emission spectra. If you see that energy when it is coming from higher energy level to lower energy level, it emits the radiation. If you emits the radiation, that will get the emission spectrum, bright lines on the dark background. If you see that one, film or detector, so we are seeing the bright lines on the dark background. So option B, atomic emission spectrum. So see that option C, continuous spectra. That is a continuous spectra is saying. So that we cannot say exactly. Next D, none of the above. So option B is correct. Next question number 26. So match the constants given in the column 1 and their values column 2 and the mark the appropriate. Rydberg's constant, you know that 109677 centimeter universe. Next Planck's constant 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Next velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Then wavelength of the red light, that is 750 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. So option D is correct. This is a direct bit. Okay. Next question. 27th question. The electron in the Bohr's model of hydrogen atom is pictured as revolving around the nucleus in order for it. So what is saying that electrons revolves around the nucleus is saying that. So what is the correct options for that? Bohr's atomic model. So emit protons, wrong. Keep from being pulled into the nucleus, wrong. Keep from being repelled by the nucleus, wrong. Possess energy, correct. When electron rotates in the particular orbit, circular path, they contains the energy. Is it clear? Yes or no? So option D is correct. 27 option D is correct. Next come to the 28th. Given below are the spectral lines for an atom hydrogen. Mark the lines which are correctly matched, which are not correctly matched with value of N1 and N2. With the value of N1 and N2. So see that first option what he has given, Lyman series. So Lyman series is the N1, N2 and region also they are given. Yes or no? Region. So Lyman series. In the Lyman series they are given 1, 2, 3. That is ultraviolet. Correct. Next second option what they are given, second one Balmer. Balmer 2. Correct. N1 is 2, 3, 4. Correct. But region they are given IR, infrared. But actually this is not IR. This is a visible region. Yes or no? So what is that? Which is a wrong? Second one, one option. Next see that Passion. Lyman, Balmer, Passion. 3 is there. But Lyman, Balmer, Passion. Correct. Next up 3, 4, 5. IR region. Correct. Near IR, IR, far IR. Anyhow IR region. Next bracket. Fund they are given, not bracket. Fund actually 5 will come. But what they are given? 4. N1 they are given 4. So this is the wrong. So option 2, 4. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. Is it clear? So actually this starts from 5, N1 is a 5, N2 is a 6, 7, 8 and so on. Yes or no? So option C is correct. Next question number 29. So what is the maximum number of emission lines when the excited electron of a hydrogen atom N is equal to 6 drops to ground state? So N is equal to 6 he has given. It comes to directly N is equal to 6 to N is equal to 1. So formula N of N minus 1 by 2. So N 6 of 6 minus 1 by 2. That is 6 into 5. That is 2. That is 15. So option B is correct. So number of spectral lines obtained when the electron jumps from N is equal to 6 to lower energy level or ground state N is equal to 1. Next question number 30. What is the maximum number of emission lines obtained when the excited electron of hydrogen atom in 5 drops to ground state? That is also same. N of n minus 1 by 2, that is 5 of 5 minus 1 by 2, that is 20 by 2, that is a 10 lines. So option D is correct. So simple formula directly you have to substitute that one. Okay. Next question. What is the color corresponding to the wavelength of light emitted when the electron in a hydrogen atom undergoes transition? N is equal to 4 to N is equal to 1. So see that here N1 is a 2, N2, question number that is a 30, not 30, 31. N1 is equal to 2, N2 is equal to 4. Is asking to calculate that which color it will produce when it jumps from higher to lower. So the formula 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. So 1 by lambda is equal to 109677, 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square. So 1 by lambda, that is it clear? That is 1 by lambda, that is 20564.4 centimeter universe. Is it clear? Then now lambda is equal to the lambda, that is 1 by 20564.4, that is nearly, that is equal to 486 into 10 to the power of minus 7 nanometers. That is 486 into 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeters, or 10 to the power of 486 nanometers. Sorry, 486 centimeters. This is the centimeter universe. So it will become centimeter. So that is in the region. Which region that will come nearly around? That is will come in the blue region. Is it clear? That will come correspond to the color is a blue color. Under visible region, we will see that with this wavelength, that is blue color. Hence option A is correct. See that 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square centimeter universe, that is 109677 by 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square, that is equal to 205644 centimeter universe. If you do this calculation, nearly you will get the 486 into the power of minus 7 centimeter. This is comes under visible region, that is blue color. Next question number 32. Which of the following series of lines are the only lines in hydrogen spectrum which appear in the visible region? That is the direct question. In the visible region, only Balmer series is in the visible region. So option B is correct. Next question number 33. An electron in excited hydrogen atom falls from 5th energy level to 2nd energy level. Which of the following regions are the spectral lines will be observed and the part of the which series of the atomic spectrum? So he is saying that from 5th, N2 is equal to 5th, N1 is equal to 2. Yes or no? You know that Lyman series. You know that Lyman series, that is N1 is equal to 1, N2 is equal to 2, 3, 4. Next Balmer, N1 is equal to 2. Next N2 is equal to 3, 4, 5. Is it clear? This is in the visible region. So Balmer in the visible region. So option A is correct. Next question number 34. What is the question number 34? The third line of the Balmer series in the emission spectrum of the hydrogen atom is due to. So see that the third line of the Balmer series. So see that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is saying that the electron, the third line of the Balmer series in the emission spectrum of the hydrogen is due to. So third line, Balmer series means N1 is equal to 2. So this is a first line, this is a second line, this is a third line. Yes or no? Yes or no? So N1 is equal to 2, N2 is equal to 5. So fifth Bohr orbit to the second Bohr orbit. So option B is correct. This is a 3 to 2 first. Next 4 to 2 is a 5 to 2. Is it clear? Yes or no? Hence option B is correct.